is Shriya from Shriya B, and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Today's video is about the first showroom in Hyderabad, India of IKEA. So it's been on the news everywhere and it's a lot of rush, but I made it to IKEA and one thing, which is the watercolor box, and I've been waiting for it like a long time. I watched a video on C Lemon's channel saying she tried out those colors, and I wanted to try them out too. So here's the review for you guys, and let's go.
This is the Mala watercolor box. You will find instructions which are in many different languages, but I will read the English ones. The watercolors will leave permanent stains on most surfaces and materials. However, immediately washing the area with soap and lukewarm water may give good results. How to use? After use, clean the brushes, cups and box with water. Hand wash only. Clean the tablets with water and remove any excess water. When you open the lid is plastic and it has the name of the item on it, Mala. Then you find the watercolor pad, which is snapped onto the plastic box. There are 14 colors with 5 on each side and 4 in the middle. This plastic used is very strong. And there the colors are yellow, orange, red, pink, purple, white, peach, yellow and brown, green, dark green, light blue, dark blue and black. Then you will find a plastic box in which there are 2 water cups. There are 2 pen brushes, thick and thin, which are of very nice quality. There are cup holders for the water cups. It overall looks very excellent, but now it's time to try it out. Here I observe that it is forming gradient and it is applying very smoothly on the paper, and when you flip the page it doesn't leak through and the color doesn't spread on your hands either. So I think it is very good quality.